Look at that head, honey. Alrighty, guys, as you guys can see, we have a at-home hairstyle video for you today, baby. So I'm just going to quickly detangle my hair, go through and just pull out any curls that I feel. You know, just treat the fro. Treat the fro before I wash and deep condition it. Alrighty, guys, so I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair and lightly blow dried it. I sectioned my hair off into 2 sections, so a back half, and that's what you guys see me working with now. I'm just using some Gots2b gel to slick that down. You see how I'm slicking it down? That's how you want to slick it down. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's just you simply pulling your hair back. So yeah, just gonna slick it down like so. And once I have that nice and slick and tight, I'm going to just tie it off with a nylon scrunchie. And just make sure it's nice and smooth. There's no lumps or no bumps. I like to do this process because I feel like it just lays the ponytail down smoother. Call me crazy, but yeah. So then next, as you guys can see, I'm going to do the front half, very same thing. I'm going to use that Gots2b gel. My hands are sticky as hell. That Gots2b ain't no joke. I'm going to use that Gots2b gel, and I'm going to take all my little edges. Don't y'all come for my edges in the comments, okay? Taking all my little edges and just brushing them forward because I don't want the Gots2b gel in that. Well, I don't want the Gots2b gel on my edges. So just brushing all my little edges to the front, you see? And then I'm going to take the rest of that hair and just pull it back into a slick ponytail. So I'm going to take that Gots2b gel and I'm going to apply some to the front and just start slicking it back, 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 hey, slicking it back. I have problems, I know. I'm going to add a little bit more of that Gots2b to really get it nice and slick and pull tight. And you see how like just smoother of a ponytail it is, no lumps, no bumps. Got my little edges pulled out, then I'm going to close that off with another nylon scrunchie. That's it, that's all, right? That's it, that's all, right? Alrighty, so then I'm just going to go over it again with a brush and make sure we have no lumps, no bumps, no humps, baby. And once I see we're good, I'm going to take a little bit more Gots2b and just seal off the entire ponytail. Then I'm going to take my edges brush and just go through and make sure that's worked through and smooth. You want your ponytail as smooth as possible, especially if you didn't press your hair out beforehand. I just blow dried mine, but still, as you can see, that ponytail is slick, baby, it's slick. So I'm just gonna tie off the end, just braid it down to a three-part braid. I believe that's how it's called, French braid, 3-part braid, I don't know. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around into a little bun. As tiny as you can get it. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to completely just close that off. Alrighty, now that I have that laid and slick, I'm going to take a little Gots2b freeze spray and just set my entire head. That ponytail is laid, and you can tell me it's not slicked back. Slick back like a Cadillac. My hands are so sticky. Alrighty, so now that we have that done, I'm just simply going to put a silk scarf on. Just one of my regular silk scarves just to make sure it sets overnight while I'm asleep. And just pull that down. I tried to leave my edges out, but that wasn't comfortable. So I just pulled it down, my scarf down like regular, and tied that off. And that's how we lay down and went to sleep. Next, I'll show you guys just how it looked the next morning after we let the ponytail set. Yes. . So this is the next morning after everything has set and it's gotten nice and hard. That ponytail is still very slick back, which is what you want. So now I'm going to come in with my edge control, which is the Black Panther Strong Edge Control. I love this edge control. It's the best. And I'm just using one of my edge brushes that I have. I'm telling y'all, this edge control is the business. So I'm just going to take my little edges. I know I ain't got much, but my little edges. And I'm going to just do some little swoops. Some little swoopity swoops. Some little baby hair swoops, swoopity swoops. So in essence, I just kind of brush the hair down and then just swoop upwards and back. And that's just how I do my edges and get my little swoopity swoops. I will say this was a little hard doing it not with the Gots to Be gel, because I don't like to use the Gots to Be gel too much on my edges because that mess is no joke and I don't need them pulling out what little edges I got. So yeah. But the Black Panther works just as well. It's just a little harder because the hair was already kind of set and hard. So I'm just swooping back, making a cute little design, some little adult swoops. Adult baby hairs, adult swoopity swoops. And doing the same thing on the other side. I feel like this side is my better side. I feel like my swoops be way better on this side. And once again, I'm just sectioning off the hair, brushing down, and then swooshing up and back. See, you see that swoop? You can't tell me that swoop ain't cute. Yeah, I feel like the swoops, like the baby hair swoops on that side weren't as cute. But the other side, they was popping, for sure, for sure. But once you have your baby hairs laid the way that you'd like them to be laid, you're just going to make sure it's all nice and neat, like so. Go back in and touch up where needed. Then you're going to just take you some extra long braiding hair. So all this is the kalankalan, I don't know how to say it, braiding hair. So you're just going to take you some braiding hair, braid it all the way down in a Rapunzel braid, as I like to call it. And you want to leave it attached to the rubber band that it comes on, because that's what you're going to tie around your bun in the back. So this is pretty much what you want it to look like. And then you're going to make sure you have some push pin bobby pins. And then you're going to tie it around the little bun that you have in the back, like so. And you're going to secure it with your push pin bobby pins, if that makes sense. I hope it does. Just watch me as I do it. I actually was kind of feeling this look too, with the just braid down, kind of like the Lara Croft look. I may do that again. I may not. We'll see. But this is just a quick at-home hairstyle. So yes. I know sometimes, I don't know about you guys, but I get bored with wigs, and also too here in LA, it can be really hot. So I feel like during the hotter days or hotter seasons, you could rock this look for like a good week or two. And it's cool, especially when it's nice and warm outside. So as you guys can see, now that you have it secure in the back, you're going to start wrapping the braid around. With me, each time that I wrapped, I secured with a bobby pin. So wrap, secure with a bobby pin, wrap, secure with a bobby pin. The best way I can describe how I secured the bobby pin is I just pushed it down between my hair and the braiding hair, and just made sure that the two were latched or intertwined with the bobby pin. It hurt a little bit, as you can see by the faces I was making, but beauty's pain, baby, beauty's pain. So each time you wrap it around, and the reason why I said you want extra long braiding hair, I don't know about y'all, but I got a big head, and regular braiding hair ain't gonna suffice. So you want the extra long braiding hair to go all the way around your head. Adjust the bobby pins where needed, because if they are poking your head too much, it will cause you to have a headache. Trust me, I know. So make sure you adjust your bobby pins so where they're not poking you and irritating you. And then you're gonna wrap the hair all the way around, secure with a bobby pin, and then like that final wrap, you're gonna secure with a bobby pin, and you're gonna kind of tuck the hair into itself, if that makes sense. So I'm securing it in the back where the bun is. And then that last little piece, I'm just gonna tuck into itself, like wrap it back around and tuck it into itself and secure with the bobby pin. I hope that makes sense, guys. And that is pretty much it. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. This is just my quick little crown braid. Let me show you guys the back. I hope the back looks okay because I have no idea. I have not looked. It feels like it's okay. Hold on, wait. I feel like maybe one spot where I can make it a little bit better. But for the most part, it feels pretty secure. Excuse me. But yeah, this is my crown braid. My quick little like DIY at home hairstyles when it's hot, girl. You still want to look cute, but you don't really got coin to go get your hair done, or it's just too hot to be trying to sit up in a shop under a dryer, girl, just go ahead and do your quick little crown braid. Quick little crown braid. So I just added some little gold accessories, whatever, little one right here. I think I'm gonna remove this one with the little shell, but whatever. Just want to give you guys just some cute, quick at-home ideas on how to do your hair. And I'm gonna probably rock this for at least a couple weeks. You know, quick, simple, easy. All it took was a little gel, little braid in hair, little accessories, and that's about it. You feel me? That's about it. That's all. And you cute, boo. So it's your girl, Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. And I hope you guys like this little quick hair tutorial video. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, share with your friends and family. Because as you can see, I am tons of fun. Also, too, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because you know you want to. You know you want to. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. But alrighty, y'all, I'm hungry as hell. I don't know if you can hear my stomach, but it is growling. So I'm about to go grab me some lunch. But yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. This is my crown braid. Crown braid. Crown braid. Hey, ain't she cute though? Ain't she cute though? Ain't she cute though? Hey. Alrighty, guys. Bye.